Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video where you join me as I get ready for a night out with my little beverage, vodka and tango apple. It is so amazing. And yeah, I just thought we could have a chatty get ready with me whilst I get ready to go on a night out, and you can join me if you're going on a night out or just chill and chat with me. I really hope you enjoy. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. And I'm now going to drink some more and play some drinking games. I'm trying to do that thing, you know, where people wear like a shirt and they have like half the shoulder out and a pretty bralette, but like how do you do it without having your whole tit out? I just dropped my phone. Okay, this is shambles. I'm already experiencing the getting ready stress. I might have to cover the nips, but does this look better? I don't know. Okay, I've changed it to some black ripped jeans, and I think this is going to be the fit. But anyway, hello everyone. Is this lighting okay? I hope it is, because I need my ring light. Maybe that's better. You join me whilst I'm getting ready to go out. I'm going to put my hair up whilst I do my makeup. And yeah, I thought we could have a chatty, tipsy get ready with me, because I'm starting my pre-drinking now. My drink of choice is, it looks questionable, but I have got mango and passion fruit vodka with tango apple, and oh my god, there's like a triple shot in this and I cannot taste it. Like, don't get me wrong, I had the vodka last week with good old Schweppes lemonade and it was lovely, but this, it tastes like a lovely summer cocktail. And I know it's not summer anymore, but like it tastes incredible, which is good because I want to get drunk tonight. I need a drink. It's been a stressful week. I'm not really going to talk you through too much what I'm doing because this isn't a makeup tutorial. I'm just literally getting ready, and you're getting ready with me if you're going out. I hope you have a nice night out. Take a shot every time I say okay, because I've noticed I say that quite a lot in my videos. I'm just going in with some foundation first because the eyes are quite like a smoky eye. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to turn this ring light up because I need to see my face more. Yeah, I'm doing like a smoky eye, so we can start with the base first. And yeah, I'm just going in with my same foundation that I always go in with, which is the number 7 Stay Perfect foundation. How is everybody doing? I want to know how everyone is feeling about Christmas. Is everybody stressed? Because this time of year is just stressful for everyone, like study-wise, money-wise. I feel like it's the time where jobs get busy, like my sister, hairdressing, she's really busy at the moment. I know my dad's busy in his job. Like, everyone is busy around these months, and I feel like a lot of stress that isn't normal, like that isn't usual in everybody's routines. For example, Christmas shopping, like that's just another added stress that obviously comes around this time of year. So I hope everyone's doing okay, and you know, you're never alone. Reach out if you're not doing okay, and there's always going to be someone who will listen to you and who will be going through a similar, if not the same thing. Sorry for the depressing intro. I just feel like a lot of people are struggling right now, including myself, to be honest, and I just want people to know that you're not alone. Yeah, so I've had quite a stressful week, which is why I'm so excited to go out tonight and have a drink. I want to get drunk. I want to be on the floor. No, I don't. I want to be safe, but I do want a drink. Yeah, it's like, I know that it's distracting from the real issues at hand, but sometimes you've just got to do it. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes the bad coping mechanisms... I've only had a couple of sips. The bad coping mechanisms win. I'm just going in with my Rimmel concealer. Should I bring you in a little bit more? Sorry. Yeah, there's just like a lot going on at the moment. I think that's what I'm struggling with. There's a lot of stuff that isn't, like, there's a lot of academic stress, but then there's also a lot of stress that's not just academic, and that's what I really struggle with, because I was talking to my dad about it and we were like, it's the things that are an unexpected stress, you know, like every week I expect to be stressed by my studies, but I don't expect to be stressed by like I don't know, my camera breaking or like Christmas shopping isn't an everyday occurrence, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I had today as a really quite quiet, chilled day just to myself. It's Saturday today, by the way. I had a lie-in and then I went to Tesco and I went and got some Christmas presents for people, did some Christmas shopping, which was really nice to do. It was actually really therapeutic. And then I came home, I did some wrapping for the Christmas presents, like I wrapped them all up. And if you can see in the video, oh, that's behind. No, it's not behind the door, am I right? It's over there, you can't see it. Sorry, I feel like you can feel my stress coming through the camera. Let's calm. We don't want to be portraying stress to people, okay? Right. Anyway, yeah, so I did that, went and did some Christmas shopping, and then I came back and I painted my nails, did them black as per usual. So I just baked, the powder I was just using was my Huda Beauty one as per, and I'm just going in with some Wignall Stay Matte powder to set my eyelids as the base for the eyeshadow. I'm now going to bronze with the same bronzer I always use because it's just amazing. It's from NYX. So tonight, me and my flatmates, I live with 2 other flatmates who are lads, and we're going out to Smack, which is a nightclub in Leamington. It was quite nice. When I moved to uni, I'd already been to Leamington a couple of times because my friend lives here. Then when I like came to uni, I knew that Smack was like a good night out, a good place to go to. And I'm just going in with my little Hoola contour. Yeah, I have an update on my camera situation, by the way, because obviously, as you can tell, I'm currently filming on my camera. Well, I don't know if you can tell. The quality should be better anyway. Yeah, I'm filming on my camera now. Basically, I got myself a new SD card, and that seems to, touch wood, have worked. So fingers crossed that my videos are going to be back to normal now, which I'm so glad about because it's honestly caused me so much stress. And I know that sounds really pathetic that like something quite small has caused me a lot of stress, but I don't know. We can't control what we get stressed about. I'm now just using my Rimmel powder to cut underneath my contour. Can you believe that next week we are into week 8 of uni? Well, like I'm going into week 8 of my university term 1 for 3rd year, and I am honestly like in shock about it. I think it's just the anticipation that I'm feeling at the moment. I'm not necessarily stressed about finishing uni because I really want to finish uni, but I'm scared about the change that's gonna come. Like there's a lot of change that's gonna happen. Today I finished all of my Christmas shopping. I've never ever been this early. Like there's no year that I've been this early before I'm finishing my Christmas shopping, but because it's been such a stress in my head, like I found it really stressful, I have just wanted to get it done so quickly. So yeah, I'm really happy that I finished all my Christmas shopping today. My bank account is not happy about it. Honestly, this drink, everyone, you need to go try that. We're not going out tonight until, like, we're not leaving here until 10:30, which is so late, but the club doesn't open until 11, which is pretty annoying. Also, I really want to talk to you guys about contraception because, so skip this part if this doesn't apply to you, but I have recently, like recently within the last week, I've recently came off of my contraceptive pill because I have been on it since I was 13 and I'm now 21, which is probably a very unsafe amount of time. I went on the pill because I like suffered with really heavy periods, and the pill massively helped me with that. I'm just using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, by the way, the one that I always use. I wanted to come off it because when I was 13 is when all my health problems started, and obviously I know that the pill can really badly affect your mental health, but I think I was in denial about it, and purely because of the fact like the pill is such an easy method of contraception. In my opinion, it's the easiest one, bar like a condom, for women to use. And so that's why I was on it for such a long time then when I got into a relationship. And I think I was just, yeah, in denial that I didn't want it to be affecting my mental health. And I kind of just didn't want to really think about it much. So yeah, I just carried on using it. And recently I just I've wanted to come off it. And so yeah, I finally did it the other day, and don't get me wrong, I am so emotional. But I'm really excited to see what difference, if any, it will have on me. And I didn't know until recently, like, it's really bad that this isn't like taught in schools, or that maybe it was just my ignorance, but I feel like a lot of people don't know this, is that when you are on the contraceptive pill and you have a period, it's not actually a period, it's called a withdrawal bleed. So even when you're on your period and you're on the pill and you think, oh okay, that means I'm not pregnant, you still could be pregnant. Like, sorry? I've just gone in, by the way, with the shade Still Shot and Badger, or Barger, a light pink and a bright orange, just to put in my crease. I am thinking about the coil, but I'm not sure. I basically want to go on something that has minimal hormones. For a couple of months first, I'm gonna see how it is without any contraception. Like, I'm not gonna be on the pill or anything for however long I feel like I need. But I think, yeah, my mind is definitely becoming more open to the coil. So if you have any advice or any suggestions about that, your experiences about it, please let me know down below, because, haha, pun. Because yeah, I've heard quite a few horror stories about it really hurting, and I just want to know like information about it. I need to do research about it. It just really upsets me, to be fair, that it's on women, like, just because, well, obviously I'm generalizing here, but most of the time it's just because a man doesn't want to put a condom on, as to why it's then down to the woman to affect their hormones, affect their mental health, like affect so much, just because the male wants it to feel nice. Like, it's just, that's a whole other issue in itself. I'm sorry if that was a bit TMI, but I feel like this is a taboo topic that should be spoken about and that should be normalized to talk about. So I just put the shade Run onto my lids and I've just blended that out. It's still quite light. I think I'm going to go in with a black shade just to deepen up the brown a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with the shade Jet, tiniest bit. Just pat it onto the centre of the lid. Oh, I just realised I haven't said okay for a bit, have I? Okay, take a shot. I'm going in with the shade Run. I'm just putting this on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with that fluffy brush with the pink shade on and just blend that out. I'm going to do this off camera because I can't talk whilst I do this. I'm just putting some mascara on, just going to do one coat because I'm going to be wearing lashes anyway. I wanted to talk to you about two things regarding like my makeup career. So I have really been thinking more into career stuff and it has been stressing me out, but I've kind of come to the realisation that I do want to be a makeup artist, I think. I'm not jinxing it because I really struggle with knowing what I want to do with my life and my purpose and my career. So yeah, that's a whole other issue, but I think I really want to be a makeup artist, and it just feels like it fits right. Like, I've literally done makeup since I was so young and I've always been so creative with it. I love being creative. Like, being creative makes me feel like I have a passion and it makes me feel most alive and like I have a purpose. So yeah, I was looking into that and I've basically made like a logo, and I'm thinking the name is going to be called Glam with Grace. And I've made a logo for my Instagram account that I'm going to make. Also, something that I've kind of not invested in, but I'm so excited to try and use on myself and potential future clients. I have bought some P. Louise makeup for Christmas. Like, I've bought it, but my parents have bought it for my Christmas present, if that makes sense. And if you haven't already seen, I feel like this video is going to be up when Black Friday is over, but my basket was worth £583 and I got it for 170. Like, what? But yeah, sorry if this is boring to you, but I feel like such a relief now sort of knowing what I want to do with my life. Makeup just feels right. I haven't known what I've wanted to do my whole life, and I've had ideas, but it's never felt right, and I've been so confused about it. I've been so stressed about it, and I feel like this is genuinely like a job that's meant for me. As cringy as it sounds, I've always said that I don't want a typical 9 to 5. I don't want a typical like job where I'm waiting for the weekend. Like, I want to enjoy my job. I know that's quite unrealistic, but it shouldn't have to be. I want to enjoy it. I don't want to dread it. I want to not wait for the weekend, and I really just want it to be my passion, and makeup is. Like, I enjoy makeup so much. So yeah, I'm just really excited, and I hope that you are going to enjoy coming on this journey with me. Hi, it's time for highlight, and I'm now going in. Actually, do you know what? I might try and do a different highlight. I saw Lydia use an eyeshadow for her highlighter, so I'm going to try the same. I'm going to go in with the shade Breakaway. I mean, it looks a bit too light, to be fair. Breakaway and a bit of Blaze, I think, from this palette. I'm scared. Oh, it's literally not doing anything. Is anyone seeing anything? Because I'm not. Okay, that's doing nothing. I don't want to ruin it. I'm going to go in with my normal highlighter. It's time for lips, and I'm going in with my MAC lip liner in the shade Boldly Bare. I'm just going in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Honey Love. Okay, my makeup is now done, and now I'm moving on to my hair. And what I'm thinking is, normally I wear like half up, half down, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do the half up, half down in 2 sections. I'll show you. Take the section, like if I was wearing my hair half up, half down, these would both be in it, but I'm taking them in like 2 sections. And just literally putting it into the scrunchie. Literally like that. I feel like it looks quite cute, but like still nice. Just separating some of the curls. Oh, you can be separated. Some are just like too juicy, you know? Okay. Oh my god, I actually said it again. Fuck, I'm so annoying. I think I'm gonna wear my hair like this. Do we go for hoops or do we go for gummy bear earrings? Hoops? Yeah, I think hoops. Why is getting ready such a process? Like, don't get me wrong, I enjoy it, but like, it's such a long process. I feel like I'd enjoy it a lot more if I had someone to get ready with. Like, I never have a friend to get ready with at uni because I live with boys. Rings are on, hair is done, earrings are in, necklaces, they're fine, perfume, perfume, perfume. This is the Ariana Grande perfume. Normally I have the Ralph Lauren number 2, but I've run out, so I'm back to my Ariana Grande. I am now gonna go drink some more, play some drinking games, and I'm going to enjoy my night out. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!